Welcome to the Trent ESL Student Success Report prepared by Breton Clark, Instructor and Academic Liaison, Trent University, July 2014. The hypothesis of this study is that Trent ESL graduates outperform other Trent students in key indicators of academic standing, such as graduation rate and academic average. I used qualitative methods, including interviews, about common first-year classes, talking to TAs, professors, and former ESL students regarding their class activities, assignments, pedagogy, and celebrations and concerns. Also, data about past and present ESL students was collected and analyzed. A random sample of 200 Trent ESL graduates from 2004 to the present were assessed in terms of nationality, programs entered, degrees conferred, their course load, and academic average. As to be expected, approximately 75% of our students came from China over the course of the last 10 years, with Japan, Russia, and Saudi Arabia contributing a considerable amount, as well as a variety of other nationalities as well. As you can see, TOEFL tests are the most common pathway outside of other affiliation agreements. IELTS constitutes about 25%. As far as degree programs go, our students head towards the third floor of Zosky when they leave Trent ESL. They study in the BBA program and or the Bachelor's of Arts or Science degrees in economics, predominantly. Nevertheless, there's still a contingent that study maths and sciences, including computer sciences as well, and a growing number in environmental studies. Now, to assess a little bit about their academic achievement, as you can see, 95% of first-year classes are successfully completed by Trent ESL grads, rising to 97% of second-year classes, and then plateauing at 98% for third and fourth-year classes. That's a very high average indeed. This chart tells a little story about how Trent ESL grads tend to earn their credits. As you can see, it takes the average Trent ESL grad about 5 years to study and complete their degree program at Trent University, even including their ESL studies. They tend to get about 2 credits in their first year, perhaps because they were taking ESL courses at the same time. And they tend to score approximately 3 credits in their 5th year and 2.5 to 3 in various summer terms, spring and summer terms throughout their career. Over the course of their university career, they achieve a very high academic standing. Approximately 74% is their average in first-year courses, and it only grows, reaching a very high average of 76% in their fourth-year classes. When compared with a representative sample from Trent International Program, Trent ESL graduates outperform their rivals by a significant degree. And when you compare it with the rest of Trent, albeit perhaps not exactly the most standardized or the most grounded comparison, seeing as most of our students tend to study in the BBA program, nevertheless, you see that there's nevertheless academic excellence here. In addition to high academic standing, our students post a very high graduation rate. Approximately 73% of the random sample had graduated by the time that the sample was conducted. When that sample was weighted to include the fact that there was a certain degree of students that are still in process, the projected graduation rate from Trent ESL graduated students is 83%. In conclusion, the data collected supports the hypothesis. Trent ESL grads outperform a comparable sample of TIP students in key indicators of academic success. The solution is clear. Trent ESL sets up students for success in their degree programs.